Agenda. In this short video, I'll discuss the following topics. Topic number 1, uniform distribution. A, the related concept and formulas. B, Excel functions. Topic number 2, the difference between a density probability distribution and the cumulative density probability distribution. Topic number 3, one simple application by using uniform distribution. Randomly choose 20 out of 100 names.
Shutterstock Music.
For the next exercise, I'm going to show you how to use a random number to generate a set of random number like 50,000 to draw this graph and apply this formula. Okay. Expected value is b plus a divided by 2 and variance is b minus a power of 2 divided by 12. Okay. Step 1. So we are going to generate 50,000 random number. Okay, first one, let's look at one function called equal RAND. So this is generate a random number between 0 and 1. Okay, if we copy and paste, then we generate more. However, that's one issue is if we enter 2 here, the area value will change. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Okay. The first one is I'm going to generate some n from 1 to 50. So I type n in cell A1 and 1 here. Then I click data and I click home. There's so-called fill here. Okay, on the right hand side here, click fill and click series. Okay, I'm going to generate a column from 1 to 50,000. So this is column. Okay, my starting value is 1. My step value is also 1. My stopping is 50,000. Okay, just click OK. I can use Control and I can see my last data set. Okay, Control Home. Okay, I know some of you hate big data set. Okay, so one way to make it small or look small, then we are going to hide something. Okay, highlight several rows, Control Shift down arrow. Okay, then we keep the Shift key down. We move it up. Okay, then we right click, hit high. Okay, you see our big data set looks quite small. Okay, look quite small. Okay, and if you don't believe it, so let's use count. So let's see how many. So indeed 50,000. I'm going to show formula. Okay, so this is show formula. Okay. We have from A2 to make it big. Okay. So count A2 A5001. Okay, so let's generate some random numbers. Okay, so equals RAND. And so there's no input. Okay, then I'm going to click, then it automatically fills the random values. Okay, the problem is it will change. I'm going to copy and paste as value. Okay, paste as value. I'm going to hide this column. Okay. this column. Okay, I'm going to calculate the mean. I'm going to calculate variance of this column. Okay, and so I know this is A and B. The A is 0 and B is 1, because we know for this one we generate from between 0 and 1. So this is limit is 0, up limit is 1. So let's calculate mean. Okay, there are two methods to calculate. The method 1, we simply apply the formula. So it's A plus B, or B plus A plus B divided by 2. And we know is half. Okay, show formula. We use show formula to show actually is F1 plus F2 divided by 2. Okay, so this is, I call it method 1. Method 2. Okay, method 2 is, because we have the random value already, so average. So average, and we highlight, and you see, this is 0.5, this is 0.5003, is so close to each other. Okay, so close to each other. Okay, no, sorry, this is. Okay, so this is show formula. I'm going to show the formula here. Okay, so this is average from C2 to this number. Okay, and so let's calculate the variance. Okay, the variance, and again, method 1 and method 2. Okay, method 1. So method 1, we apply formula. This is B minus A power 2 divided by 12. Okay, so let's use show formula. Show formula is, we just apply this formula. So this is B minus A power 2 divided by 12. And when we apply VAR dot P, okay, when we're talking about expect value or probability, it is equivalent to population. Okay, so this is, we highlight everything. You see it's very close. This is 0.0833, it's 0.08255. Okay. Okay, so this is between 0 and 1. Okay. Next one, I'm going to show you between A and B, like between 3 and 10. I'm going to hide this part. Okay, I'm going to move here. Okay, I'm going to, so this is A and this is B. Okay. Suppose A is 3, B is 10. Okay. So A is 3, B is 10. I'm going to generate a Y column. The Y column should be uniform distributed between A and B. And I'm going to draw this graph. I use histogram. Okay. So the minimum value will be A. Okay. For minimum value will be A plus our random number times the difference between B and A. Okay. Between B and A, I'm going to use equal show formula. Okay. Equal show formula. Okay. I'm going to explain the concept here. Okay. We generate a set of random numbers between 0 and 1. Now we want to convert this set of random number between 3 and 10. Okay. So if this value is 0, this value should be 3. It's a minimum. This value is 10, so this value should be 10. It's maximum. Okay. Okay, I'm going to fix this one as well. Okay, fix this one as well. Yeah. Okay. So let's modify treat as 0, I'm going to undo it. Okay, so this is 0. So x is 0, y should be 3, right? X 0, y should be 3. Undo it. If x is 1, then y should be 10, right? This is maximum. This is also approaching maximum. Okay, I'm going to undo it. Okay, so this is y value. Okay, so let's copy and paste. So I have set a value. Okay. Okay, so let's calculate mean. Okay, so this is mean and this is variance. Exactly as before. Okay, so this is method 1. And we know should be 3.5 is 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 divided by 2 should be 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Okay, so let's look at method, it's a plus b. So a plus b is 6.5. Okay, according to the formula is a plus b divided by 2. Okay, so let's look at method 2. It's simply average. It's average. It's also very, very close to 3.5. Show formula. Okay, show formula. Okay, so actually this method 2. Okay, so let's look at the method 1. When we calculate variance. Okay, so method 1 will be b minus a power 2 divided by 12. Okay, so this is var.p. We highlight everything, and we got our result. Show formula. Okay, we have 2 methods to calculate mean. We have 2 methods to calculate variance. Okay, so last one, I want to show you how to draw this graph between 3 and 10. Okay, so let's generate some so-called bin. Okay, let's draw here. Okay, we know it's from 3, that's 2, 2.5. 2.5 should be 0. Okay, so let's highlight. Oh, okay, sorry, because something is okay here. So 2.5. Okay, I'm going to draw a histogram. Okay, histogram I need 2 in column. One is called our data value, so y, and another one is bin column. Okay, click data and data analysis on the top right. Click histogram. Okay, and the first thing is we enter y column, and second one we enter our bin column. Okay, enter bin, and because I highlight labels, check label. So this is I want to put on the same spreadsheet. Okay, so this is my output. So this is 2 is 0, 2.5030. So highlight. Okay, click insert, click recommended. You see this is quite here. So let's click OK. So I put my, I don't know where I should put it. So let's put it here and put it here. Okay, and so this is uniform distribution. This histogram. We generate 50,000 random number between 3 and 10. So between 3 and 10. So this is our histogram. A better way to generate 50,000 random number between 3 and 10 is to use random number generation procedure. Okay. Just simply let's type. So this is X, and we click data, then click data analysis. We go to random number generation. Okay, because we are generate one column, so 1, and we generate 50,000. From uniform, cannot just generate 5,000. Let's generate 5,000. 5,000 uniform, and we generate from 3 to 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we use the same random seeds, we will generate exact same set of random number. Okay, click here. The output will be A2. Then click OK.
Shutterstock Music.
Okay, so next one. So let's look at the meaning of density function. Okay. Okay, so let's use the continuous uniform distribution. So let's draw a uniform distribution. Okay, suppose this is A. So let's use the simplest one. So this is 0, this is 1, and we know the density function will be, B minus A. So actually it's 1 over 1 minus 0 and equals 1. So actually the height will be 1. Okay, so this is density function. Okay, and what is meaning of density function? Okay, and the first one, the area is 1. So actually the all area here, the area under the density function between density function and x, so this is x, should be 1. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Okay, what is density function number 2? So this is 0, this is 1. So let's randomly pick up a value here. Okay, suppose we pick up value is 0.5. Okay, 0.5. We pick up another value is 0.51. Okay, so actually we have, so this from here to here is 0.51 minus 0.5 equals 0.01 or equals 1%. Okay, equal 1%. Okay, so let's look at this area. Okay, so this area is from here to here. Okay, so this is area. Okay, so this is area. Okay, so actually, so this is fx times delta x. Okay, and so we know this is a constant, it's 1. So actually it's 1 times delta x. Okay, so actually we know delta x is 1%. So actually this is 1%. Okay, for the uniform distribution, the density function times delta x, so actually it's probability. So this is probability between this delta x equals 1%. for the previous example, if we randomly pick up many random numbers and from between 0 and 1, so what is probability between 0.5 and 0.51? The answer is 1%. So this is meaning of density function. Okay. Next, we are going to have a simple application by using uniform distribution. We have 100 names, 50 boys, 50 girls, and we randomly pick up 20 out of 100. And we use uniform distribution. As first step, we'll get the data, okay? And type dot found. You will see and show first name, boys. So this function can give us up to 1,000 names, boys' name, first name. And similarly, so this give us 1,000 girls' name. Okay. Then we use data to Excel. We can use copy and paste. However, data to Excel is much better. So let's look at the boys function. Okay. So you type boy, okay, and it will give you how to use it. Shows 1,000 most popular boys' name. Okay. If n is higher than 0, and we start from beginning. If less than 0, we offer end of name from the end of the list. Okay. Suppose boy equal -3, we got the last 3 names. Okay. Okay. Just for test, for fun. Okay. So boy, and so let's show 10. So let's show 10. So this is 10 names. Okay. And similarly, we show girl. And so let's use -10. So this is bottom 10 names. Okay. Okay. So let's get A. We get 15 names. Okay. Then data to Excel. So data to Excel, and we got A. Okay. Then we launch Excel and paste. And we paste name here. Okay. Paste name here. Then we go back. We do exact same things. Okay. So this is B boy and 50. Okay, then and we enter B. And we launch Excel and we paste. And, okay, we paste it here first. Okay. Okay, so let's go here. And we paste here. Okay, we paste it here. And be careful, there's a name here. We simply delete it. Okay, we delete it. Then we have go Control End. So we have 100 names. Okay, 100 names. Okay, the first step is we insert a column. So we call it ID. So this is ID. And from 1, 2, we know we have 100. So we have 100 names. Okay, so this is. So last one is 100. Okay. Okay. So if we randomly generate a number between 1 and 100, suppose we generate 4. Okay, number 4, we should get this name. Okay. So this is, we use V lookup. So V lookup is, we look up 4 from our table. So this is our table Control Shift down arrow. Okay, so this is our table, and we are going output the second column because it's name. Enter. Okay, so this is number 4. We got a stellar. We can use the show formula to show the formula of this VLOOKUP function. Okay, and before we copy and paste, we are going to generate 20. So that's 1, 2. Suppose we're interested in generate 20. So we're interested in generate 20. Okay. Before we copy and paste, we have to fix the data range. Okay. So we use F4, $A, $1, $B, $101. So hit enter. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So this is our ID. So this is ID. So this is person. Okay, we are going to choose the person. Okay, and suppose it is 4, then we're going to $4. We look at 4 from this list because we're interested in the second column. So this is the last input value is 2. Okay, and now we can use random between, RANDBETWEN. So random between 1 and 100. Okay, random 100. Okay, then we can simply copy and paste. And now we copy and paste again. Okay, so this is 10, we got 10. This is 50, we got 50. And so I'm simply copy and paste. Oh, it's too big. So let's go back. And so this is very simple exercise. Okay. One issue is whenever we enter a value here, so this value will change automatically. All the value will change automatically. Okay. In the previous videos, I mentioned a way to fix number. We can copy paste as a value, and alternatively we can use other way to fix this value. Okay, that's it.